Hey guys, Carl here from Howell Brothers Lawn and Landscaping, Maryland, DC, and Virginia's premier commercial landscape contractor. From office buildings, medical buildings, shopping centers, HOAs, and churches, we are a premier and reliable professional landscape company. We offer 4 seasons of commercial work, including reliable snow plowing, ice control, and other landscaping services. Our services include lawn mowing services and turf maintenance, complete landscape preparation and mulching, landscape bed maintenance, spring and fall cleanups, seasonal fall plantings and maintenance, fertilization and health care of turf, trees, and shrubs, aeration and overseeding, tree and shrub pruning, landscape enhancements, plantings, and renovations, children's playground maintenance, snow plowing and ice control, and HOA or property meeting attendance. Thank you for taking time to listen to our video. If there's anything we can do to help you with, I'll be more than happy. Look forward to hearing from you.